So if you are thinking of starting an online business, then instead of wasting your time building a website, the better idea is to create a sales funnel. So I want to share something that I've been using for a while now, and it's called a funnel. Now there are many funnel providers, but this particular one that I'm showing you guys is called ClickFunnels. So now if you don't know what a funnel is, basically funnel is a simplified website which will allow you to convert your potential customer into a paying customer. Think of it as a funnel where you basically collect your potential customers and you direct them towards the mouth of the funnel where you complete the sale. So the reason I like ClickFunnels, and specifically this is ClickFunnels 2.0. So if you are not familiar with ClickFunnels, they used to have an older platform which was little slow and it was also sluggish. So I didn't like it, and a lot of customers were actually complaining about it. So what they did last year, towards the end of the year, they completely revamped their platform and it's called ClickFunnels 2.0. So the thing I like about the ClickFunnels 2.0 is the fact that it can do a whole bunch of things. So the first thing ClickFunnels can do is that it can create a website for you. So think of WordPress or Wix or any of the other website platforms. So you can do the same thing here. It will create a very professional looking website and they have a whole bunch of templates. I will show some of the inner workings of a ClickFunnels later in the video, but first let me go over the features of ClickFunnels 2. So the first thing is that you can create a nice website if that's what you want. But in addition to a website, you can also create a shopping cart. So you don't have to like sign up with Shopify or something like that. It will come included with your ClickFunnels. So the shopping cart will basically let you sell anything, whether it's a digital product or whether it's your own merchandise or any other stuff that you want to sell online. So that's really nice, and it's a very professional looking shopping cart, and it includes credit card payment, Stripe, and a whole bunch of other things. They are integrated. The third is membership. So this is something which you must have seen a lot of professionals, even YouTubers. What they do is they create a membership website. So you pay some kind of subscription, $5 a month, $10 a month, $50 a month, and you get access to exclusive content, exclusive information. Maybe you are running a finance, you are a finance guru and you give financial tips to your customers. So, you can have a membership website and you can make money from that. So this is actually a nice way of generating revenue because you are getting recurring subscription money. So it's kind of like a predictable, revenue stream. So you can do that with ClickFunnels. You can also do CRM, which is more advanced stuff. So let's skip over that. The thing that I really like is email marketing. So normally for email marketing, you will have to use something like MailChimp or one of these other email marketing platforms. But with ClickFunnels 2.0, that's also included. So you will basically be able to create and automate email broadcasting. So you can direct your customers to some landing page. Maybe you are giving something for free and in return you are asking for their email address. And once you have their email address, then you can pitch them your paid products, right? Usually that is the strategy that people follow. They give something for free, and then once they have their name and email address, then they pitch something of value, but not for free. You charge money for that. And finally, you get very solid analytics. So all the things that are happening, how many people clicked on your website, how many people clicked on your purchase button, what was the conversion rate, all the data, the nerdy stuff that you would want to figure out if your business model is working or not, that is also included. So this is really nice. Basically, there are a whole bunch of other things. We went over some of the important things. Sales funnel is what most likely you will be interested if you really have few products that you want to sell to your customer. This is probably the best thing to do, and I will give a demo of how these sales funnels work. You can also create a professional looking website. By the way, you can also provide online courses. So you don't need to use something like Kajabi or one of these other course platforms, which by the way charge a lot of money. But here ClickFunnels 2.0 will include that. So if you're thinking of launching some online course, I think this is a really good option. Of course, you have the e-commerce store and a whole bunch of other things. You can have a blog, customer service, analytics, and a whole bunch of other things. Not everything is important. By the way, this A/B testing is something which is really cool. So what this will let you do is that you can actually create like two different versions of the funnel, and randomly your website will show either this funnel or that funnel. And then in analytics, you can see which one is doing better. So then that way you can, make a decision. If you're not sure which funnel is going to give you better conversion rate, you can do the A/B testing. So that is also included with your subscription. Now, the good news here is that they are running a 14-day trial version. Anytime before 14 days, if you cancel, you will not be charged at all. And with this, you can try all these three options. So you have the basic one, which will give you one website. There is a pro model, and then there is this fancy funnel hacker, which unless you really know what you are doing, or if you have a large team, I would not bother with the funnel hacker. So the main difference is you get one website with the basic and pro model. With the funnel hacker, you will get 3 websites. Now you probably don't need 3 websites unless you have 3 completely different, business, because you can have one website and within the website you can sell multiple services. So you don't need each website for each service. So one website should suffice, unless of course you are running multiple businesses which are not connected with each other. In that case, you will need more websites anyway. So $127 per month for the basic, $157 for Pro, and $208 for the Funnel Hacker. This is the annual program. So if you decide to pay for the entire 1 year. Now, if you want to try out the monthly, then the rate goes up a little bit. So $147 for the basic, $197 for Pro, and $297 for the Funnel Hacker. Now let's take a look at the main differences here. So the basic one will give you 20 funnels, which should be enough for if you are just starting out. 100 funnels for the Pro model, which I think should be plenty. And of course, unlimited here. This is more for like if you have a team or something, because it will also let you have 15 admins, 9 domains. If you are launching courses, you can launch as many as 200 courses in the Funnel Hacker plan. In the basic one, you can launch 3 courses, which again, I think is, if you're just starting out, 3 courses, that's probably more than enough, right? If you are creating a course, that's going to take a lot of time for you to create one. So 3 courses should be plenty. If you are going with Pro, you get 15 courses, and you also can enroll up to 10,000 students. Now, if your business has a scale to the point where you are getting 10,000 paid students, then I guess $197 is nothing, because if you're getting 10,000 students, then I'm pretty sure that you are probably making a lot of money. Basic version will give you 1,000 students, which I think is a more reasonable target if you're just starting out as a YouTuber, or if you are doing some online business coaching. 1,000 clients or 1,000 students, that probably would be a nice target for someone who is just starting out. And this is for the email, so you can your email list, you can get up to 10,000 contacts, which again is not bad for starting out. You can always upgrade when your contact list starts expanding. So 25,000 for Pro, and for the Funnel Hacker you get 200,000. And then you get a whole bunch of other stuff which you may not care at this point. Okay, now let's take a look at the funnel page. So I have already created few funnels. What you need to do is click on the recipe, and this will show you all the funnels that are already present. So you can create whatever funnel you want. For example, you can use a basic opt-in funnel. You can create a product launch funnel. You can create a reverse squeeze page funnel, summit funnel. So all these templates are already available. Lead magnet funnel is something which you would be really interested in if you are, trying to collect email addresses, and so you're giving something for free, and in exchange you're collecting email address of those people. So you can use the lead magnet funnel here. You have the daily deal funnel, bridge funnel, and whole bunch of other funnels that you can click and play with them, and you can understand what these funnels are doing. So this is something I really like about ClickFunnels 2.0. They are already giving you a lot of funnels, and they will add more as the time goes by. This is because this platform was just launched, so it's still relatively new, but more funnels are coming. So let's click on some funnel and to see what happens. So I will click on this one. So this is the product launch funnel. And as you can see, there are 3 funnels that come with this particular funnel template, and you can go and individually customize each of them. So you click on create, and that will launch the funnel editor. And this is basically what you see is what you get. So this is, you don't have to write any code. You just drag and drop, and you can edit the funnel in real time. Now they have a nice zoom in, zoom out option in the bottom left hand corner. So you just come here and create your first funnel. Just click on it. Again, you get bunch of templates. You can pick whichever you want. And I'm expecting ClickFunnels to add more templates. So for example, right now I will just take this one. And once you have done that, you come here and click on edit, and you can enter in your funnel and make more changes. So like for example, this is a book funnel. So like I said, you just drag and drop. This is very intuitive. It's kind of like Microsoft Word or any kind of publishing platform that if you have already used. Just click, select, and you can delete stuff, type whatever you want, and change fonts, colors, and all those things. So this is something which you will just have to play with and get familiar with if you already haven't done something like this before. And if you're already coming from a different platform, then you probably know how to do these things, because this is very intuitive. Okay, so here is what I will do. I will drop a link in the video description. You can click on that link, and that will give you a free trial subscription. You can take any one of these, Basic, Pro, or Funnel Hacker. For 14 days, you will not have to pay anything. You will have to give your credit card information, but you can cancel within 14 days and you don't get charged at all. So I think this is a pretty pretty good, deal for someone who is exploring various platforms. If you are not sure whether you want to build a website or whether you want to build a funnel, or if you are someone who has multiple ideas in mind, like you want to have a lead magnet so that you can collect email address, then you are planning to either sell a product or maybe a digital course or some kind of a webinar, or you want to have some kind of an online shopping store, you can do all those things with ClickFunnels. You don't need multiple services. So this will replace services like MailChimp, which is your email marketing platform, or any kind of website builder like Wix, and it will also take care of your online shopping stores. So something like Shopify or some other kind of an online store platform, you don't need to worry about that. Credit card payments, Stripe payment, all those things, everything is all included in ClickFunnels 2.0. Yeah, so like I said before, there is a link in the video description below. You can click on that link and take advantage of this 14-day free trial version. And let me know what you guys think of a sales funnel platform. Do you think it's better than a website, or do you think a traditional website is still the way to go? I personally think that a funnel is more, it converts customers more faster, so you get a better conversion rate and that results in higher revenue. So good luck with your online business venture. I wish you all the best. I hope you find success in your online dreams, journey, whatever business idea or plan you want to implement this year. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below and I will try to answer them.